Mondol Limited stands for all of them, and it embodies growing beyond in its truest sense.
Actually, we have started Mondol year of 2003, and my father, he has started this textile business. Particularly, he has started 1991. So after 12 years later, he felt that we must need to have our own backup for accessories. Otherwise, it was impossible to import from China and to fulfill our demand.
Starting in 2003, it is now one of the largest accessories manufacturing plants in RMG. Meeting its own consumption needs, Mondol started providing for the demand of booming Bangladeshi RMG sector, and thus became part of the story of growth and development. What differentiates Mondol is the environment it provides for its people, because Mondol values its people. For factories in the RMG sector, it is really important that they are assured